Assalamu alaikum and welcome to morEwish cuisine, my desi kitchen with the western touch. Today I am sharing the recipe of Bake Eclair Cake. Layers of graham crackers with pudding with chocolate frosting on top. A yummy alternate which you can serve to a crowd instead of eclairs. Let's go and make it happen. So for this eclair cake we have two steps, the base and then the frosting. So let's go and see what the ingredients we need for the base. So for the base we need graham crackers, a tub of Cool Whip, some instant vanilla flavor jello pudding, some milk, and all the ingredients are on the description box below or on the given link on my blog post. Now for the frosting we need some cocoa powder, powdered sugar, light corn syrup, butter, vanilla essence, some milk and oil. Again, all these ingredients are on the description box below as well, and you can go check out my blog. So these are all the ingredients which we're gonna use. So let's go and assemble. So first we take a mixing bowl, add our milk in it. Then we add jello vanilla flavor instant pudding mixes, and then start mixing until it turns into a thick mixture. Then we have to add a whole tub of Cool Whip. Now with the very light hand, with the help of spatula, start folding in the Cool Whip with the milk and the pudding mixture until the Cool Whip is fully mixed with it. At the end you will get a pale color creamy pudding mixture. So now it's time for assembling. So now grease your 9 by 13 inch grass dish and start arranging your graham crackers in the base. Then in the end just take the little pieces and try to fill up the edges and make sure all the base is complete with this graham cracker. Now take the 1/3 part of your prepared pudding mixture and with the help of offset spatula start spreading on top of the graham crackers. Cover all over, make sure the sides are covered. Now it's time to repeat the layers. Just again arrange the graham crackers on top of the pudding mixture and spread the remaining 1/3 part of the pudding mixture. Cover the graham crackers, and time to repeat the third layer. Arrange the graham crackers again and then the remaining last part of the pudding mixture. Spread all over, and now the last layer of graham crackers, and that gonna be the top layer of our dessert, and then we're gonna spread the frosting on top. So just leave it in the refrigerator for a little while and let's go and then make a frosting. Now in a stand mixture with whip attachment, add butter, oil and cocoa powder and mix until everything is combined. Then take powdered sugar and add in, and you will get like a little snowballs kind of a texture after this. Then add milk and corn syrup and then mix until you get a frothy frosting. It will take like a minute or two. Now spread that frosting on top of your graham crackers with the help of offset spatula. And for the clean slice, just dip your knife in the warm water and then make a cut, and with the help of spatula transfer it into your serving plate. So from my family to yours, a very happy Eid Mubarak. This is a Eid present from morEwish to you. Just try this recipe and leave me a comment and enjoy a very happy and a safe Eid. If you like this recipe, don't forget to share it with your friends and give it a thumbs up. Try it and let me know how it turned out with you. Thank you so much for watching and Eid Mubarak. If you haven't, just subscribe to my channel for more videos and updates, or follow me on Facebook or on Instagram.